Hello dear students, today we will start our study from our notes. Okay, in the first video we have completed our basics about the motion. Okay, now our first topic is origin. What is origin? What is origin? In the last video we have studied about origin, that this is the point that specify the position of object. To specify the position of the object we need the point. That point is called origin. Like this is a three-dimensional coordinate, that is x, y and z. हमारे पास थ्री डायमेंशनल कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम है, दैट इज एक्स वाई एंड जेड, एंड वी हैव ए पॉइंट दैट इज p. Then if we say at initial position the particle is here, the object is here, but after some time it goes here, then this is position p1 and this is position p2, position first, position second. So इसकी पोजीशन को अपने को स्पेसिफाई करना है कि इसकी ये कितनी डिस्टेंस पे है, कि कहाँ पे है, कितनी डिस्टेंस पे है. इसको स्पेसिफाई करने के लिए अपने को एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट चाहिए, कि जिसके रिलेटिव में हम ये बता सकें कि पहले इस पॉइंट से ये 10 किलोमीटर अवे था और आफ्टर सम टाइम इट इज अवे फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट 15 किलोमीटर अवे. सो एक पॉइंट इनका क्या होना चाहिए, रेफरेंस पॉइंट, जहाँ से रिलेट करके हम इसको ये बता सकें कि इसकी डिस्टेंस पहले कितनी थी, अब कितनी है. Okay, so this is the origin point. Firstly, this position is here and after its position is here. So to specify the position of object, this is the position of object, this is the position of object. To specify the position of object, we need a point, a reference point. This is the reference point. O is the reference point and that is point is origin. This point is origin. Okay, this is our first definition. What is our first definition? To specify the position of the object, we need a reference point. And that point is called origin. This is our first point. Okay, next point is our motion. We have already studied about the motion in the last video. That what? This is the change in the position of the object. With respect to time. टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में जो इसकी पोजीशन में चेंज होता है वही क्या है, मोशन. Let us consider our object is here. After some time it is here. We say this is our origin. Origin से our firstly distance is origin from 10 meters. This is our 10 meters. After some time it goes this point and this point is 50 meter away, and after some time it goes this point and this is 20 meter away. It means the position of particle is changing with a particular time interval. That is, let us consider this is 1 second, this is also 1 second. After 1 second it goes this point, after 1 second it goes this point. So after a particular time interval, the position of object is changing. पहले यहाँ पर था, थोड़ी देर बाद यहाँ पर, थोड़ी देर बाद यहाँ पर. It means टाइम के थोड़ी देर तो थोड़ा जो टाइम इंटरवल है उसके बाद इसकी पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है. इट मींस ये किस में है, मोशन में. अगर ये कहें कि ये ओरिजिन 1 सेकंड के बाद भी यहीं पे है, 2 सेकंड के बाद भी यहीं पे, 3 सेकंड के बाद भी यहीं पर है, इट मींस ओरिजिन इज नॉट चेंजिंग. सो द पोजीशन ऑफ ओरिजिन इज स्टेबल एंड इट इज नॉट इन द मोशन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज मोशन? The change in the position of the object with respect to time. टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में, मतलब टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग, टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में जो ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन चेंज होती है. इट मीन्स जो टाइम के रेस्पेक्ट में आपके ऑब्जेक्ट की जो पोजीशन चेंज होती है वही क्या आपकी मोशन. ओके, नाउ next definition is distance. What is distance and what is displacement? Okay, let us consider this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and this point is D. Okay, firstly the object goes from A to B, and after B to C, and after C to D, और इस पॉइंट पे आने के बाद ये स्टेबल हो जाता है. ओके, सो अगर कोई आपसे ये पूछे कि व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट, what is the total distance covered by the object, we will add these distance. This is 10, this is 15, and this is 5. So total distance is 10, 15 and 5. So 10 plus 15 plus 5, so distance will be, distance equals to 10 plus 15 plus 5, and that is 30. That is 30. Now this is the distance, the total length of the path. ये क्या आपका path है, total length of the path covered by the object, that is called our distance. Next point is displacement. What is the displacement? The displacement is the minimum distance between the initial position and the final position of the object. Initial position of the object is this. पहले आपका जो ऑब्जेक्ट था वो किस पॉइंट पे था, इस पॉइंट पे. इट मीन्स व्हाट इज द इनिशियल पोजीशन इज A, and the last position of object is D, the final position is D. So the minimum distance between the initial and final position of object is called displacement. It's called displacement, and displacement is, let us consider this is 20, so displacement is what, 20. Displacement is what, 20, and distance is 30. So distance is what, the total length of the path covered by the object. This is distance. And what is displacement? Displacement is the minimum distance, the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position, and that is 20. That is 20. So this is displacement and this is distance. Okay, next point is motion along a straight line. Motion along a straight line. Motion along a straight line is what? This is the simplest form of the motion. This is the simplest form of the motion. According to this motion, this is the motion that is along a one dimension, or x axis. Along a one dimension means या तो x axis या y axis या फिर z axis. Along the one axis the motion होती है, that is our motion along a straight line. Okay, next topic is uniform and non-uniform motion and examples. What is uniform and what is non-uniform motion? Uniform motion is what? Let us consider, here are points A, B, C, D. A, B, C or D. We have a object, we have a car, we have a object or a man that is going from here to this point, and this point distance is 5 meters. This is also 5 meters and this is also 5 meters. A से B आने में इसको लगा 1 सेकेंड, और A से B से C आने में भी इसको लगा 1 सेकेंड, और C से D आने में भी इसको लगा 1 सेकेंड. It means equal distance. These are equal distance, 5 मीटर 5 मीटर 5 मीटर. Equal distance कवर करने में टाइम इंटरवल भी क्या है, इक्वल है. टाइम इंटरवल भी क्या है, इक्वल है. It means this is the uniform motion. This is the uniform motion. This is the uniform motion. Okay, next is, if we consider this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. If we say this is 5 meters, this is also 5 meters and this is also 5 meters, but in this condition we say here to here is 1 second and here to here is 2 seconds, here to here is 5 seconds. It means 5 मीटर्स कवर करने में 1 सेकेंड लगता है, 5 मीटर्स कवर करने में 2 सेकेंड लगता है, 5 मीटर कवर करने में 5 सेकेंड लगता है. इट मीन्स आवर इक्वल, आपको जो इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करने में आपको अनइक्वल टाइम इंटरवल लग रहा है. आपका टाइम इंटरवल क्या है, अलग अलग है. इट मीन्स ये क्या आपकी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, ये क्या है नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. सो uniform motion is what? When any object, there is a object, when any object covers equal path, when any object covers equal distance, this is equal distance in equal time interval. These are the equal time interval. Equal time interval 1 second 1 second 1 second 1 second 1 second 1 second इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल है, इक्वली डिस्टेंस है. तो इफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट कवर्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन equal time interval, and this is called uniform motion. The examples of uniform motion is when a car is moving with the speed of 10 kilometer per second or 10 or 100 meter per second. Let us consider a car is moving with 100 kilometer per second. It means this car 100 meter per second. This car will move 100 meter in 1 second. 1 second के अंदर कितना मूव करेगी? 100 second. It means like this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. Let us consider the distance is 100 and this is also 100. Then यहाँ से यहाँ की डिस्टेंस कवर करने में इसको कितना लगेगा? 1 सेकेंड, बिकॉज ऑफ 100 मीटर पर सेकेंड, मतलब 1 सेकेंड के हिसाब से 100 मीटर. 1 सेकेंड में 100 मीटर, 1 सेकेंड के अंदर फिर से 100 मीटर एंड 1 सेकेंड से फिर से 100 मीटर. इट मीन्स ए ऑब्जेक्ट अगर एक ए पॉइंट पे है तो 3 सेकंड के बाद कहां पे होगा? डी पॉइंट. बिकॉज ऑफ इट विल कवर इन 3 सेकंड 300 मीटर. 1 सेकंड में 100, 2 सेकंड में 200, 3 सेकंड्स के अंदर 300. इट मींस इन 3 सेकंड इट विल कवर 300 मीटर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एंड दिस इज द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नाउ व्हाट इज द नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एग्जांपल? लेट अस कंसीडर ए कार इज, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. If we say these are equal distance 100, 100 and 100, we say that from this point to this point, from this point to this point, the car takes 5 seconds. The car takes 5 seconds, and between B to C it takes 2 seconds, and between C to D it takes only 1 second. It means the motion is non-uniform. Motion is non-uniform. It means the object, our car, is not covering the equal distance in equal time interval. The car is not covering the equal distance in equal time interval. Okay, this is our non-uniform motion. Okay, we have completed our 5 topics. That is, what is origin? Again with origin, to specify the position of object with any reference point, that point is called origin. Okay, next is motion. What is motion? What is motion? The change in the position of the object with relative to time, with respect to time, that is called motion. Third definition is distance, the total path, the total length of the path covered by the object, that is called distance. Fourth is displacement, the shortest distance or the minimum distance between the initial and final points, that is called displacement. Motion along a straight line, when any object move along a one dimension or along a x-axis, that is called our motion along a straight line. Fifth definition is uniform and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion? When a object covers equal distance in equal time interval, then this is called uniform motion. A car that is moving with a 100 km per second, 100 meter per second, with constant speed. A constant speed 100 meter per second के साथ अगर कोई कार मूव हो रही है, it means per second के अंदर वो कितना कवर करेगी? 100 meters. Next, what is non-uniform motion? Non-uniform motion is what? When any object doesn't cover the equal distance in equal time interval, then this is called our